I'm going to show you how I made this amazing chicken parmesan sandwich with my air fryer. Let me show you how I did it. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and make the chicken cutlet. Just going to be very careful. Slide your knife. All the way through, just like that. We make 2 good-sized chicken cutlets. So in my breadcrumb mixture, what I have is, the salt and pepper, onion, and the garlic powder, Italian seasoning. I also do a little Parmesan cheese. After you get your chicken cutlets, you're going to go ahead and put it in the flour. You're going to shake off the excess, and then you're going to plop it right in your egg wash. Now, I try to make sure I don't use 2 hands for this, but it happens, so if you do, it's okay. Now, we're going to plop it right in this. I'm going to put it in the air fryer basket. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. We're going to set it to 380. I'm going to do the first side for 8 minutes and go. Okay, so I just got them pulled out. I'm going to go ahead and flip them over, and we're going to cook for another 5 minutes, and then we'll pull out and add some sauce and cheese. All right, I'm going to go ahead and grab another shot with the camcorder. I love doing this. Look at that. Those look great. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the marinara sauce and the mozzarella and the Parmesan cheese on top. And then we're going to put it back in for about another 3 minutes, and then they'll be done. Okay? So just some marinara sauce. We're going to go ahead and just layer that on top for the cheese. So I like to put a little Parm underneath the mozzarella. And you don't have to be perfect with this. I know I never am. Now let's grab some of the mozzarella. I shred this very finely, as you can see. It actually melts better that way. Yeah, I like a lot of cheese. Okay. So back in we go. 380. Let's do 3 minutes. Okay. These are done. They look fantastic. Oh yeah. Great. Okay, so now we're going to let those cool just for a little bit. Okay, so while you guys are making your chicken parm, you can actually go ahead and get started on toasting your garlic bread. I like to take a nice little hoagie loaf and, split it so that it's still hinged, butter it, and put a little bit of garlic powder on there, and then get it nice and toasty. Yes. Yeah, see that right there? That's what we're looking for. Just a little toast. We don't want them like completely burnt or anything. Okay, so the first thing we're going to try to do is put a little bit of this sauce on here. We don't want a dry sandwich, so we're just going to get it in there. Looks pretty good. What I like to do is just get the slice right on there. Oh yeah. And grab the little crumblies and then add a little bit more. The cheese. And then go ahead and mush that guy on down. We got a beautiful looking sandwich. Yeah. Let's get this other one prepared. Then we'll do a cross cut. Take a look at that. Oh yeah. Yeah, take a look at that. That looks pretty darn good. Okay, so now we have these two beautiful sandwiches. Let's take a look and see what they look like on the inside. There we go. There's that cross section looking good. All right, so as you can see, this was real easy to do, and it tastes great. It looks great. I mean, you saw the close-up with the cross-section, how good this thing looks. You got to give this a try. Tell me in the comments below how yours turned out. In the meantime, I've got more videos for you. Check out the link in the description below or the card right over here. There's more stuff coming. See you guys on the next one.